Have you ever thought about paying off your mortgage entirely? Think about being debt free, having no monthly payments month over month over month. In this video, we're going to give you a tool to show you exactly how to do this and map out this plan so you can have no monthly payments for the rest of your life. Here's how the zero mortgage plan works. Step 1, upload your latest mortgage statement. The GPT will pull your key info such as your balance, rate, and monthly payment. Step 2, it will ask you how many years do you want to take to pay off your mortgage. Maybe it's 20 years, maybe 15, even 10, you decide. And then step 3, it will simply run the numbers for you. It will calculate what your new monthly payment would be based on your goal, how many years you're on track for currently, and how much interest you could save. The Zero Mortgage Planner was inspired by Dave Ramsey. On step 5 of Dave Ramsey's famous baby steps, he recommends when you pay off your house entirely, you essentially beat the game at that point, and you live like nobody else. Imagine no monthly payments, imagine no mortgage hanging over your head. We help a lot of people downsize, help them make educated decisions when it comes to selling and buying. And we were just helping someone the other day whose financial advisor was encouraging them to take out a small mortgage and invest the difference. Now, not a bad plan, but there's certainly nothing like having no monthly payments over your head. And think about it, you can invest that money yourself into various vehicles. So whatever you decide, this tool will give you kind of a good baseline on how to plan out your financial future. You'll be surprised what a big difference it makes in your finances paying off your mortgage. And with a little bit of planning, advanced planning, which is the motto of our company, you can absolutely make this happen. It doesn't happen overnight, it happens bit by bit, but at least now you'll have a roadmap on exactly how to get there and exactly how to have no monthly payments on your house. Let me know if you have any questions. Make it a great day, and feel free to reach out to us if you need clarification.